G'day, it's Belle from Printable Me Australia, and I'd like to share with you today a little behind the scenes video of me packaging up some PP Frosted A5 covers for a disc-bound system. And these covers are fantastic in terms of durability and eco-friendliness. So I'm very proud of this product and what it can do for your planner as well as for the environment. So first of all, the packaging itself, you can see the sticker as I'm packaging it up that says to throw the packaging in the garden, and that is because it is biodegradable. So you don't have to throw it in recycling bins for it to be recycled professionally. You can simply dig a hole and throw it in your garden or your compost heap or even your worm farm, and it will biodegrade. You just need to take the stickers off before you pop it in the compost, and the manufacturers say within 8 to 12 months it won't be there. So that's fantastic, I think. I live a small country town in rural Queensland, and we actually don't have a recycling system in place provided by the council. So I absolutely love the fact that I can recycle these in terms of composting them at home. So that's the packaging. Let's talk about the products themselves. I consider them to be super eco-friendly as well, because you don't have to laminate your cover before you punch it and put it on your planner or notebook. So you can simply print or punch a whatever you want the cover to be on either, so you can print it onto cardstock, or you can just use some old scrapbooking paper that you really love, anything like that. Cut it down to size, punch it, and pop it in underneath these PP covers. They are frosted, but they're see-through, which is fantastic because you can use that cardboard or that paper that you have lying around, pop it underneath. You don't have to laminate it, and it will stay there as long as you are happy with it. If you are a seasonal planner and you want to change out your cover every time the season changes, you don't need to feel guilty about the fact that that laminated paper is going to landfill. Because your paper is just card or scrapbooking paper, often you can just shred it up and pop that in the recycling as well. So these covers are super durable, and they are going to last you years. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you want to check out the PP covers, head to www.printablemeaustralia.com, where you will find all of the different products that I have carefully curated for people who are wanting to dive into disc-bound systems in Australia and New Zealand. Have a great day. Cheers for watching. Bye.